Want to disable and pack up Bixby from your Samsung Galaxy smartphones? In this video, we show you how. By default, when you long press the side key, power button, it activates Bixby. Here's how to turn it off. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Now scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Now tap on Side button. Change the press and hold action from Wake Bixby to Power Off menu. Next, we will see how to turn off the Hi Bixby wake word. It continues to run in the background, listening for the wake word. Here's how to turn it off. Open the Settings app, now scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Select Bixby. Tap on Voice Wake Up. Toggle it off on the next screen. Lastly, you can leave Bixby as well from the phone settings. On your phone, open Settings and navigate to Apps. Now tap on Samsung App Settings. Here select Bixby Voice. Scroll down and tap on Leave Bixby. Tap on Leave Bixby again and tap on OK to confirm. You are done. Say goodbye to Bixby on your Samsung Galaxy device. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech, like and share this video if it helped. Also, dive into our other videos, lined up and curated for you.